out the refrigerator. I really don't feel like doing this right now, but we gotta do it. You know, you gotta fake it till you make it. So let's do it. Seriously though, I think it may be best to start with all the condiments. So yeah, I mean, literally, it's like 4 pickles in here. We could eat this tonight, like seriously. So here we go. Okay guys, I just realized something. I have to multitask, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep dumping the refrigerator out, but I'm also gonna start dinner. So I'm gonna wash my hands real quick, get some food out the freezer and get dinner going, and then I'll continue to clean out the refrigerator as I'm cooking dinner. So y'all know how it is, you gotta multitask. Now it's time to tackle everything else that's not a condiment that's in the refrigerator. Seriously, Cheddar's takeout. Now y'all know that's old. Okay, we are totally empty. Oh, it is dirty. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, haha, a Olive Garden mint. To uninstall shelves in your refrigerator is fairly simple. All you do is take your hands, grab a hold to the drawer, lift up, pull it up like that, and pull it out. And I'll show you again. Lift up, pull up, pull out. Let's wipe it down. All right, we are all clean. It's beautiful. So now I just need to add all of these shelves and the food. Make sure you go to your desired height, you insert, and you press down. Now your shelf is at the desired height.
To help organize the refrigerator even more, I bought these drawers off of Amazon. They were super easy to install.
All right, here's our finished refrigerator. Love it, I love it. I got my vegan butter, just egg my tofu here. Now y'all, we are big on condiments. Whenever we get takeout, I know this is probably very, very ridiculous, but this is what we have, like this. So whenever we take our lunches, we have plenty of condiments. Vegan cheese is here. Yep. And vegan other items are here. Hot dogs, sour cream, feta crumbs, they're so good. Regular cheese, because we do have people that come over that are not vegan, so we have cheese for them. And if we had regular hot dogs, they would go here, but we don't have that right now. Plenty of vegetables. I love spinach. I could eat it every single day of my life. Cucumber, you know, just the veggies. And fruits. And yes, I am crazy about avocados. I could have those every day as well. Got 2 that are ready for me to eat. Here in this last tray, we keep like to-go lunches. When it's empty right now, you know, but we like whatever is left over from dinner, we put it here. That's kind of how we meal prep. And it's just very challenging to figure out this situation here, but this is the best I could come up with. So we still have all of the condiments. Yeah, they're just here. We need to probably finish these off, and that's what we have. I'm super excited, and I am loving my refrigerator. It's so clean.